Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and today I'll be guiding you through a 10-minute cardio workout. If you're ready to learn something new, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's go ahead and begin. We're going to put 30 seconds on the clock, and we're going to go ahead and start with jogging in place. Let's go ahead and get started in 3, 2, 1, let's go. We're going to go ahead and move nice and light on our feet. We're getting our arms involved, and we're keeping our head and our chest up. Focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're going to be taking a 15-second rest. Great job, guys. Go ahead and rest. I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. We're going to go ahead and move on to squats. We're widening out our stance, and we're going to bring our arms in front of us, send our booties back as if we were sitting down, and come back up. Go ahead and inhale on your way down, and exhale on your way up. Go ahead and sit back, send that booty back. Keep your chest and your head up. We have a couple of seconds left of this move, and we're going to be taking another 15-second rest. Here we go. Go ahead and rest. I'm going to show you what we're doing next, which is an alternating punch combination. We're going to find a nice strong stance, bring our hands up into this fighter stance, and we're going to alternate between a jab and a straight punch. Go ahead and join me. Nice and clean formation here as we release each punch and alternate. Continue to focus on your breathing. In through your nose and out through your mouth with control. We have a couple of seconds left here. We're going to be taking another 15-second rest. Great job, guys. Go ahead and rest. Again, I'll show you what we're doing next, which is going to be a jump rope. We're just going to bring out our imaginary jump rope and move nice and light on our feet, getting our arms involved, moving those wrists. Go ahead and join me here. Remember to keep your head and your chest up and breathe nice and slow. Nice deep breaths through your nose and out through your mouth. We have a couple of seconds here, guys. We're moving forward to another 15-second rest. Great job. Next up, we're going to have a right kick, which is going to be a simple squat to a high right side kick. Focus on exhaling as your leg comes out. A bit of a squat helps us get into the right form to release that next kick. And we're staying with the single right side at this time. We're not alternating legs. Again, keep your head and your chest up. And coordinate your breathing with your move. Exhale to kick. Inhale down. Great job, guys. Take another 15-second rest. We're going to go ahead and move over to our left side next. We're going to come into a bit of a squat again before releasing. Now the left kick. Inhaling your squat. Exhale to release that kick. Focus on your balance. Keep your head and your chest up. We have a couple of seconds left here. Again, we'll be taking a 15-second rest after this. Great job. Next up, we're going to be doing a side-to-side jump. So we're going to start in a squat again, and we're going to jump side to side. We're going to use our arms when we jump, sending them back, exhaling to jump, Inhaling, coming down. The squat helps us protect our knees when we land. Last couple of seconds here. Great job, friends. Next up, we have high knees. We're going to alternate raising our knees up one at a time, nice and high. Here we go, join me. Bring those knees up high, one set at a time. Focusing on your balance here. Keeping your heart rate up. You guys are doing great. We have a couple of seconds left of this move. We're going to be taking another 15 seconds rest. Great job, friends. Go ahead and rest. Next up, I'll show you what we're doing. It's going to be a basic jumping jack. Arms come up, legs come out to the side, and we return to starting position. Jump and return. Go ahead and join me. We're moving nice and slow. And once we're ready, we can speed it up. Nice, light movement on our feet, keeping our head and our chest up. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. We have a couple of seconds left. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. I'll show you what we're doing next. We're going to jump forward and back this time. Forward jump, squat to land, and we jump back. Go ahead and join me. Jump forward, squat, jump back, and squat. We use our arms every time we jump. We keep our head and our chest up. And we breathe in through our nose and out through our mouth. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we're going to be doing a diagonal jump. So, for this one, we're going to jump forward and to the side, and then back to the side. Forward to the side, and then back to the side. Go ahead and join me. Diagonal jump forward, and back. We go right, and we go left. Squatting as we land, helping us protect our knees. We move those arms, helping us jump, and we keep our head and our chest up. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. We'll meet on the ground for our next move, which is going to be bear crawls. We're stacking our joints on all fours, coming off our knees, and we're walking like a bear, forward and backwards. Go ahead and join me. We're crawling forward on our hands and feet. Knees are hovering just above the ground as we crawl forward and backwards. Breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. Next up, we have running in place. Similar to jogging in place like we did in the beginning. Just moving a little faster this time. Moving nice and light on our feet. We're moving those arms and those hands. And we're breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Nice light movement. Moving with coordination. Great job. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest, and we're on to our last move, which is skaters. This one's gonna be like if you're skating, rollerblading, or skiing. We move as if we were rollerblading or ice skating, alternating from our right leg to our left leg, getting our arms involved here, keeping our head and our chest up, breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. We move as if we were skating or skiing. Great job, guys. That concludes today's video, the whole workout. Great job. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.